How to make your AI laugh using Elevenlabs. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to make your AI laugh using Elevenlabs. So in that case, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to type in the text that is this, and the next thing, you also have to add an exclamation mark next to it. After you've done with this procedure, now you need to go to sound effect. So here, what you can do is you could go to voices, and then you could locate the voices and then make some changes with it. You could also go to sound effect at the same time, and then you could just go ahead and press the settings button, and here you could just go ahead and influence, you could just decrease it, and accordingly you could click on generate sound effect. Now you could go ahead and you could go to the speech, and here you could click on generate speech, and with that you should be able to make your AI laugh in Elevenlabs. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.